Finishing up our series on disorderly conduct criminal charges in Arizona, we're now at the point where we want to talk about, do you need help? Do you want to speak with an attorney? Remember, we've already talked about how a person can be charged with disorderly conduct, what different activities are going to be considered criminal, what happens immediately after an arrest, what happens in court, what are some common defenses, what are some common outcomes, and what happens if it's your first offense. Videos on all of those different topics. Now we're talking about getting a lawyer. So let's dive into it and to consider whether or not you should get an attorney on your team. We help many people with disorderly conduct charges. That's why we made a whole series to help people through the process. It's one of the most common offenses in the state. You can get it for almost anything. That being said, it is a serious charge. Just because you can be charged with it for something very minor, like a minor altercation, some words back and forth with another group, doesn't mean that you should take it lightly. It is a Class 1 misdemeanor. It does follow the same exact rules of criminal procedure as a DUI case, as a domestic violence case. So the stakes are very high. If this goes on your record, it is going to follow you around forever. Arizona does not have expungement, meaning if you are convicted, we have no mechanism under our laws that will allow you to wipe it clean. The best you can do is file a motion to set aside your conviction, which is sort of halfway there. The better approach is to make sure this just doesn't go on your record as a conviction. That's what we're here to do. So our criminal defense team, we only practice criminal law, meaning we don't have our attorneys dabble in other areas. There are many lawyers in Arizona who say they do criminal law, but they also do a bunch of other things like family law or personal injury or business formation. Our criminal team does not do anything else. We only do criminal law. We placed our office, our main headquarters, right in Scottsdale. We're about 5 minutes north of Old Town Scottsdale. We've been here for a number of years, meaning we've helped a ton of people with disorderly conduct. It's one of the most common offenses out of Scottsdale because of Old Town. Police love to charge people with it. So it's something that we can help you with. I've talked about it in all of the other videos, the different defenses that are available, the different outcomes, what to do if it's your first offense, how to proceed in court, where is the government's evidence lacking. We've talked about the rules of hearsay. We've talked about witness availability. We've talked about admissibility of other evidence. We've talked about what the officers can say and what they can't say. We have the tools, we have the strategy to get you through this to make sure that it doesn't go on your record as that conviction. The other main benefit is there's nothing to lose by calling us. It's a free case evaluation. So you can come into the office, sit down with us, we'll review your case. We have a strategy, a template that we use to make sure that it's the most comprehensive approach of any other law firm in the state of Arizona. We have amazing case results. So there's literally nothing to lose. I'm encouraging you to at least make that phone call. There's no reason why you should go into court on your own without getting some at least very basic minor advice. We're happy to give that to you. So give our office a call. There's nothing at all to lose. We look forward to speaking with you soon, and thanks for watching.